So with our new chapter, we're going to be working on section 1, energy and entropy. You're going to need to label, after your green page, 4 pages that look like this. One is the investigate, the next one is your ChemTalk notes, the one after that is your checking up, and the 4th is your Chem to Go. So after you get done typing in your answers in your elicit, go ahead and set up these pages. I checked the medical things to verify that nobody in this room has a latex allergy. Is that true? Is it okay? I know Delaney has one.
No, I don't have one.
No, I know you don't, but Delaney does.
Yeah.
And if you touch this, will the latex on this, if you take it home, affect her?
No.
Oh, okay. Alrighty, so label these pages, please. Get those pages labeled. Then what you'll do next is you're going to click on the clues, and you're going to answer, put a sticky note up about what you know about chemical reactions. So what do you know about chemical reactions? Labeling the 4 pages. And then once you put your sticky note up, please make sure you close out of this tab so other people can go into it. Now remember, the sticky notes don't have to be yellow. It can be any color you want. You can close out of it after you're done. If you're done. Put your sticky note up there. I see the smoke coming out of your ears. You're thinking hard.
Yeah.
So you got your sticky notes, your papers all labeled. You should read your investigate. Go ahead and read your investigate. And that's going to start under the major heading, investigate. And then you should turn to your investigate page on the paper that you just filled out. So your investigate starts on page 280. Go ahead and read the investigate. So you know what you're doing in your lab today. You need to come to class prepared. You're supposed to bring your book every day and your binder. And you left class before class, so go get it. So when we get started, we can go and computer. John is looking at the atmosphere. Wasn't that your partner from Yellow? Yeah, we can work this one. Okay. So we're going there. I'm missing a couple people that didn't put sticky notes up here. These add a sticky note. Alex, did you have one? Okay. Did yours go up? Okay, so these are our list of questions. All right, we're engaging your thinking right here. Everybody should be reading the Investigate on page 280 because this is what you're making today. You're doing this right here. And your balloon will inflate and push the meter stick up. So read about that. You're going to have to figure out, I'm going to give your team a method. I'm going to do method 4. Okay. And then after these are all done, what you're going to do is you're going to add your items to the board right here. So you're going to add, you can see what last class did. You're going to add yours right here. So this is going to be your groups. And we're going to have, this is our class data table. So all of the chemistry classes are going to be using this. Okay? Any questions on that? Are you with me or not? Okay, so go ahead and read the Investigate. I'll stop squawking. So I'm going to do method 4, okay? I made a video of method 4, and method 4 ended up looking like this. Okay? I made a video. I'll be able to, I'll attach the video to the data table. But you can see all I did was take a bottle of Mountain Dew and unscrew the cap. And the carbonation from the Mountain Dew went into the balloon and the balloon inflated. Okay? Alright? So you're going to be using balloons and you're going to attach the balloon to an ordinary flask. Right? And you have to make sure that it's a closed system. So notice this was a closed system. I did unscrew the cap before. I did unscrew this cap on this balloon. I did unscrew the cap on the balloon and then put the balloon on. I put the balloon on and then unscrewed the cap. Because the gas in this container needed to be caught in this balloon. And there has to be a good seal. Okay? So that's the key. And that's why I had these rubber bands up here, not only to put your hair back, but you might need extra seal around your rubber. You might need a rubber band around your balloon, the bottom of your balloon. Okay. So you're going to build this right here. Now your apparatus might not look like this. You might not need this ring clamp. You might not need the ring clamp or the ring stand. Okay? But you're going to need a fulcrum. Do you know what a fulcrum is? A fulcrum is a piece of cardboard bent in half, making sure the point is sharp, and then you put it right here. Then you put your meter stick on top of it, okay? You got to make sure this is sharp. So then your meter stick goes, won't go up and down. The sharper it is, the better it is. Also, you need to make sure this fulcrum would not have been good enough for this bottle right here. Oh, actually would have been. Because the top of your bottle has to be under your fulcrum. Okay? And you're going to set your meter stick on it. You're going to do your reaction. And this should blow up and push the meter stick up. That's our goal. Our goal is to balance the meter stick and push one end of the meter stick up. But instead of doing it with your hand, you're going to do it with chemistry. Right? So here are your meter sticks. You're going to take your meter stick, you're going to balance it, and you're going to do a chemical reaction that pushes that up. Fair enough? So you're pushing this up with the balloon. You need to be creative. Where are your Erlenmeyer flasks? Erlenmeyer flasks of various sizes are here. We have small ones, medium, and large. Okay? If you're measuring volumes of liquids, either on mass, a graduated cylinder. If you're measuring masses, I have some stations in the hood for you. I have the calcium carbonate hydrochloric acid station, which is method 2. I have the sodium hydrogen carbonate and acetic acid station, which is method 1. And then method 3, you're just going to use this, calcium carbonate. Method 3, you're going to have to use a hot plate. So that'll change your design of your fulcrum, because your hot plate's higher. Okay? So you have to make your choices. I'm not telling you what to do, and I'm also not telling you the amounts. Because that's something you need to keep track of. That's what you're trying to discover. What is the volume of the gas generated? What is the mass of the starting materials? How long does it take? Here's some timers. So it's complete experimentation. Now there will be some popping, there will be some spills, there will be some breaks. So we have to follow our safety protocol. If glass breaks, do you pick it up? No, you tell me. If something explodes, you should be perfectly safe because you're going to have your hood on. And your gloves and an apron. Okay? Now there is one chemical in the hood that I need to warn you about. This chemical right here, it's hydrochloric acid and it's really strong. So this will burn your eyes to a crisp in 6 seconds. So you don't want to drop this. You take it, you put it on your table, make sure the lid's on, and you only use drops of this. So you count how many drops you use. Okay? So like this bottle will last all day for me. And if you put a drop on your skin, it's going to burn. So please wash your hands with soap and water and you'll be fine. You do not want to put this over your head, anywhere close to your face. This is dangerous. And if you spill it, and then you touch it, I can help you. You understand that? Well, you're old enough that you can use things like this. Okay? So you have to keep your goggles on the whole time. Notice I have mine on. I'm going to be really nasty about your goggles today. I will kick you out after I warn you. And you will go to the office. It'll be a level 2. Okay? Do you understand? Everybody wears their goggles today. Because I enforce safety. Safety is very important today. Okay? So do not be lackadaisical today. Serious stuff. Okay? Even if you don't have method 2. You are still serious because the people next to you have method 2. You ready? Okay. Goggle it up. I'm going to come around and give you your methods. Okay. You guys all agree? You guys have method 2 and you need a video recorded. Okay? Can you handle that?
Yes.
I do have just one right up there. Brooklyn, I'm actually going to have you work with this young man. And you guys are going to have number 1. Alex, your partner is right there.
Cigarette.
Okay, you guys have method 3. How do we do it? You guys have method 1. I was just trying to, hear from in the back and, my phone. You guys have method 2.
I can't even record my phone.
You guys have method 3. You guys have method 1.
Videos, just
I can't even take a picture.
I'm not even.
So,